Welcome back to Casper Curates. In the previous vlog of Jawar Hill Station, we saw the route leading to Jawar. Apart from this, we also spoke about its distance from Mumbai and its distance from Nashik. Along with also speaking about the route that we need to avoid to reach Jawar so that you can reach with a smooth pace for a beautiful scenic hill station. So let's go ahead and also check the available tourist attractions that we have in our Jawar hill station.
तो गाइज अभी मैंने हॉल्ट किया है सूट पहनने के लिए और मैं हूँ जवार की ब्यूटीफुल सिटी में एंटर कर ही चुकी हूँ ऑलमोस्ट. एंड लेट मी शो यू द व्यू हियर व्हेन इट इज जस्ट स्टार्टेड रेनिंग. इट स्टार्टेड ड्रिजलिंग व्हेन आई जस्ट हॉल्टेड हियर एंड लेट मी शो यू नाउ इट्स रेनिंग प्रॉपर्ली एंड यू वुड लव टू सी द व्यू. It says all what my heart is saying. I love Jawar. I have waited for 5 years to get back to this destination all on my maxi scooter. So I have rode here from, not me, but my cameraman has rode here for 4 hours at a stretch of 129 kilometers, and just to have a stay here and show you the scenic beauty around. Right now we are at Hanuman Point. Hanuman Point is my favorite point in all the destinations and points in Jawar. You can see here a road from where we have road right now. It is a beautiful cityscape, no, hill station. So I would not downgrade it by calling it a cityscape. It is a beautiful hill station. You can see the road here. I'll try to zoom in a bit. This is the same route which we have rode all the way to come up. See this entire from there. This is the route which we have rode. Trust me, you will love watching this from here. This is an entire different world. from this Hanuman point you can see one more point where we will reach in some time. That is the Jaivilas Palace. It is a historic place of Jawahar which is owned by whom and since when, and any importance of that place I will give you right on reaching that point itself. But from Hanuman point also you get a quick view of Jaivilas Palace, and on Hanuman point you will get your Instagram pics of I love Jawahar, then a Hanuman temple which we seen right on entering. So here this behind you can see this is the Hanuman temple, and apart from the Hanuman temple another photo which you will get is at your I love Jawahar point. And this pretty horse here, just not make him feel left out. Yeah, it's pretty. It was not there last when we arrived here 5 years back, but yes, let me tell you that not, the beauty of this has not reduced a bit. It is still that green, lush, beautiful, silent, calm and very very peaceful. So and now you can just enjoy the scenic beauty. Do you think Switzerland is any better than this? Do you think Switzerland is any better than this?
Just to correct myself, that before this I have been to Jawahar not 5 years ago but 9 years ago, almost a decade ago, and sharing few then and now memories for you.